Gusto ka mapalit og share sa Philippine stock market pero mahal kay naay minimum investment? No worries. This year 2026 mag-implement na ang Philippine Stock Exchange og 1 share, 1 lot. Meaning, you can buy 1 share of any Philippine listed company. Before, pag magpalit ka og shares, na ay minimum number of shares na kailangan i-follow. Ang tawagan na is board lot. Example, si Globe karon is 1,613 per share. And ang minimum board lot is 5 shares. So 1,600 pesos per share times 5 shares, that is 8,065 pesos. So medyo dako na siya. Bisan 1 share ay mong gusto paliton, dili siya pwede. But with these changes now, 1 board lot is equals to 1 share. Wala na yung minimum, pwede na ka makapalit ng 1 share. So for Globe shares nga 1,613, pwede na ka makapalit og isa lang. So advantage kayo for retail or individual investor. Kaya makapalit na taog shares at a very small or manageable amounts. Reminder lang, this is not a financial advice. Kung gusto mag-invest sa stock market or any investment instrument, do your own research, and tanan investment involves risk. So that's it for today. See you on the next video.